Ever wondered what's new in the world of trains? Well, get ready for some exciting news. First up, Holland LP just made a big move by grabbing key tech from ARR Rail Solutions. This means Holland's welding game is about to get a major upgrade with some cool new automated tools. In other news, Laurie Stiles is now the big boss at Railserve Inc. She's also in charge of Ameritrak and Powerhouse, which together means she's leading over 200 employees. Laurie brings a lot of rail experience to the table, and we're excited to see what she does. These changes are set to bring even more innovation to the railway industry. Stay tuned for more updates.